Hey everybody, Jay Graham's here, and we have got one cool car today. I really am looking forward to this one. It's supposed to represent an old 1955 Chevy hot rod, like gasser style. Got the radius wheel wells, deleted front bumper. But I tell you what, this car has 115 miles on a meticulous body off frame rotisserie restoration. This isn't just some old hot rod someone built in their driveway. This is a number one quality show condition car that's ready to rock and roll. Under the hood's a 502 big block dyno tuned at 658 horsepower. There's a 5-speed trans, posi rear end. But you know what? We're getting a little older and we enjoy our comfort. It has a new vintage air system as well. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. That's where you'll find price tags on every car, including this one, along with a monthly finance option. For right now, let's go for a spin. I apologize. My nerves in my face are flaring up. Give me a second. The body is outstanding. I mean, laser being straight. Fit and finish is outstanding. Doors shut like new. They did an excellent job of the radius. Looks like factory did it. No emblems, no trim, just the bare essentials. You know, you have door handles, obviously. Okay, that passed, and I'm good to go. The back bumper has no bolts, no seams. It's a smooth bumper. Tail lights are all new. No emblems. Body work is phenomenal. The gaps are like a Mercedes. Paint onyx black is smooth as glass. Again, you can read the fine print in our sales contract in the reflection of this paint. It has a nice white roof for a nice contrast. A new gas tank. It's got the little rubber bumpers. I mean, this is first class. Guy spent over $100,000. It's only got about 115 miles on it. All new glass, even all the way around. The new rubber seals, every window seal, and everything is installed properly and fits properly. The chrome around the vent windows new. All brand new stuff. They've deleted the wipers, got a new windshield. They deleted the lower splash apron and the bumper, but the grill and the bezels that are here are new. There's no hood ornament, no emblems, nothing like that. The fit finishes on the outside of this car are pristine, fantastic. Even the door jambs are painted like glass, and all the weather strips. And again, I'm naming all this stuff that's new, but it also fits right. Everything was done with meticulous care. The wheel and tire combination, it's supposed to look like the old school gray 5-spoke mag wheels. They're new rocket wheels, 15-inch. Mickey Thompson Race Master tires. Obviously much thinner in front, much fatter in back. And these are new tires. The nubs are still on the tread. This thing's not been beat on. Not yet. So yeah, awesome look. It's got that race car look. Ready to go to any cruise night. It's got that 5th gear. Let's open it up. I want to show you the inside in that motor. All right, I'm going to show you inside the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid, God, it smells new in here. Look at how nicely it's painted. These inserts are replaced. New hinges, new hardware, all painted slick. The jamb is nice and slick. The entire inside was carpeted and done nicely, much better than I would have done. It all fits real nice. Battery relocated to the trunk. One, it gives a little more weight over the tire and clears up the engine compartment. So you have a nice sealed battery box. You have a master kill switch there. You can shut the whole car down. New trunk latch assembly as well. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new stuff's posted. We're putting some great content on our YouTube channel. You can look for test drives, some nice fun YouTube shorts. So look how slick the door jambs are. That's painted beautifully. All new door latches, weather strips, sill plates. I believe that's the Del Rey interior with the square Stitching, but it's all brand new, front and back panels, armrest, window cranks, all new. The metal work on the inside is painted as slick as the outside. And all of this trim, the entire speedometer cluster, 120 miles, that's all that's on this car. Now this stuff here, these are vintage gauges, sun gauges. The Sun Super Tack is at least $1,000, and then you also have the water and the oil pressure. That's vintage stuff mounted on the column. I think that's really cool. And coming across here, it's all beautiful. You have a retro stereo. Even the glove box liner is new. This is our inspection sheet that goes with the car. The glove box lock mechanism's new. You got kick panel speakers. The interior lights all work. You got all new carpet. A vintage air system. That'll drop ice cubes on your lap. Down in between the seats, the old Hurst shifter with the Hurst T-handle. The seats are out of an Impala. They're restuffed and sprung. I think that's a 64 Impala. You do have seat belts. They put in a roll bar just for the cool factor, and it also gives the car a lot more sturdiness from twisting. And in addition to the kick panel speakers, you got some 6x9 sitting here, all carpeted. You got the side panels. Up above, new white headliner, working dome light. The lights under the dash work as well. And it's an Impala steering wheel. Who can tell me what year it is? I'm guessing around a 1960. It's all restored. So very meticulous inside as well, with some nice features. So that motor is a 502 big block from Blueprint. It's a new crate motor. It's new everything. New block, the aluminum heads. What did I say, 650 something horsepower. As the aluminum high-rise Warrior intake with the dual feed Holly. Everything is brand new. Nothing's dingy or dirty or old. All new distributor and wires. MSD coil. It's got some long tube headers. And look at the whole firewall. If you can tell, the whole firewall had to be remade to put a big block in here. Vintage air and heat system. Keep you nice and comfortable. This polished aluminum radiator will keep the car, the engine, nice and comfortable. You got new horns. Everything is brand new. The alternator, the brackets, the pulleys, the fan, the water pump. Willwood master cylinder. Look at the steering box. Hood hinges. All brand new. Every nut and bolt, every wire, every part under this hood's brand new. All painted a nice, smooth, semi-gloss black. All right, let's talk about the underside now. This is going to click shut like new. I love that. So the body was off the frame and actually flipped on a rotisserie. That way they can work the body and the underneath from every angle. The underbody is immaculate, pristine metal, not pitted, not patched up, perfectly dry, clean metal, all painted black. Same with the entire frame, all been prepped and probably sandblasted and painted. And it has a tubular support brace throughout the whole center of the frame, again, keeping things from twisting. Everything under there, just like in here, is brand new. Up front is a Global West suspension with the tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, all the steering components, everything, every cotter pin, nut, bolt, brand new. Rear suspension's new, so that would be leaf springs, bushings, gas shocks, and it has some tubular traction bars under there as well. The fuel system's all brand new. Brakes are all brand new. Willwood discs in front. They're drum and back. All new lines, hoses, everything, you name it, it's new. Dual exhaust has thrush mufflers, turn down tailpipes right by the rear end. Look up at the motor, it's still spotless, not even dusty yet. Extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. Heavy duty scatter shield hooked up to a brand new Tremec transmission. It's an SST package that you buy. It's all brand new stuff. New drive shaft, goes back to a new Ford 9-inch heavy duty rear end. This is a hot rod with class. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this bad boy delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.